Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Veloster alternator. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Having all your tools ready saves time and makes the process much smoother. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. This is a crucial safety step. Next, use your serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these with a 13mm socket. Finally, disconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Now, carefully position your new alternator into the mounting bracket. Align the bolt holes and hand-tighten the mounting bolts before fully securing them with your 13mm socket. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, reroute the serpentine belt over all the pulleys, using the tensioner tool to create slack, then release it to apply proper tension. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Start the engine and observe the dashboard battery light. It should turn off. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Listen for any squealing from the belt and ensure it tracks correctly on all pulleys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.